LG washer dryer. Main issue was that the dryer took forever to dry, and what we found here, that this filter over here was very clogged. It's very fine design, so you can see how the holes are very small here, so it has to be cleaned with brush once in a while. All the small holes were clogged, so it because the air wasn't go through properly, it would extend the time dry of the cycle. Every time I was making to 1 minute, to end of the cycle of the dry, it was extended to another hour because the clothes weren't cleaned and dried. So right now we're just gonna test it quick, and it will be fine. This is the new model, the LG washer dryer. The model number was over here, and you can see this is how the dispenser for the soap. This is the drying, this is the compressor, this is the condenser and the evaporator coil here. So the filter, all the air goes from here to here. So this is very important to clean this filter.